Good morning, children. Last class we have learned about hemichordata. Okay, what is the characteristic of hemichordata? It is all worm-like animals. Okay, organ system of organization was started, and we can see bilaterally symmetrical, triploplastic, coelomate, cylindrical, and the body was divided into three parts: proboscis, collar, trunk. And the circulatory system is of open type. It is not closed type because it is of invertebrate group. And respiration through gills, and we saw excretory system was present on the proboscis gland. Sexes are separate, fertilization is external, and development is indirect. And here I have explained in the proboscis group, no, there only we can see the glomerulus. So we can tell excretory organs will present on the proboscis body, and the collar regions we can see the mesocyl. I have explained three cells, okay, protocyl, mesocyl, and also we can see metacyl, and followed by collar, followed by a gill slits, and we can see hepatic sacs, a liver part, and blood vessels and nerve cord. So this is interesting. Next we'll see the next phylum Chordata. Till now what we have learned, from Porifera till Hemichordata, all organisms are devoid of the notochord. So if devoid of notochord means that we can call it as non-chordates. Is that clear? If it is devoid of notochord means that we can call it as non-chordate. And here starting from the phylum Chordata group, we can see the presence of very important very thick string or rod-like structure. We can call it as notochord. So if notochord is present, that group of organisms we can call it as chordata. Is that clear? So definition is very important. Animals possessing a notochord either throughout the life or during only in their embryonic stage alone. If it is present in embryonic stage also or throughout the life also, we can tell that group comes under notochord. So what is notochord actually? It is a stiff and it is a very flexible rod-like vertebral to nerves. How we are telling a backbone or vertebral column to the vertebrate, like that it is also a very flexible cartilage, but it can be seen only in the chordate groups, not in the invertebrate group, not in the other invertebrate groups. And it is similar to the vertebral column. Okay, and it is not that much hard like your vertebral column. It is very soft, made up of cartilage, and also made up of some proteins and flexible fibers also. So that is only we can call it as notochord. So if notochord is present, then we can call that phylum as Chordata. Is that clear, children? And we know it is of triploplastic and coelomate. Even like compared to the other invertebrate, how it will be, like that it will also be a triploplastic and coelomate, and it is also bilaterally symmetrical. And here very important characteristic is it will possess a post-anal tile. We have discussed in even hemichordate, there is no post-anal tile. Okay, but here we can see the presence of post-anal tile. That is very, very peculiar characteristic for the Chordata group. And here now the advanced started, closed circulatory system can be seen. But till hemichordata, except in one group of invertebrate, all are open circulatory system only. Only in this chordata we can see, starting from the chordata we can see the closed circulatory system. And next we can see dorsal hollow nerve cord. Here I have discussed this notochord, and notochord is actually, it is in dorsal in position. What do you mean by dorsal in position? Means backside we can see backside of your gut or backside of your the digestive system, we can see the notochord. That's why we are telling dorsal in position. You remember dorsal means backside, ventral means front, so don't ever forget, because all those remaining what I am going to explain, everything will see both the characteristic, dorsal in position, ventral in position. So you remember dorsal means backside, ventral means front side. So here we are telling what is that? Nerve cord are dorsal in position. Dorsal means they are frontal in their position. And this notochord, they are also dorsal. It is also present backside of your gut or backside of your digestive system. And here very important three character. First one, notochord, they are in the dorsal position, and nerve cord also dorsal in position, meaning both nerve cord and notochord are present backside of your digestive system. And we can see a paired pharyngeal gill slits meant for respiration. Paired pharyngeal gill slits, it is meant for respiration. So these are the some introduction characteristic regarding the chordata. And I'll send some classification for chordata also, and we'll discuss more information regarding chordata. For example, who first discovered the chordata name and what do you mean by chordata? Everything we'll discuss in the next video. Thank you, children.